Hey, welcome to the first video lesson of the Millionaire Coaching System. And what is the first lesson? I'm sure you know what it is. Millionaire Mindset Frequency. That's right, Millionaire Mindset Frequency. Now, let's start with understand why do we call it frequency? Because everything in the world is made of energy. That's right. You need to first understand the law of attraction before you learn how to make money. I'll tell you why. Because first understanding of the law of attraction is that everything in the world is made of energy. What is it made of? It's made of energy. Do this with me right now. Quickly rub your hands like this. Come on, quickly rub your hands like this. Okay? And now keep it close. Now the heat that you feel in between, the attraction that you feel in between is energy. Everything in the world is made of energy, right? Now, all energy vibrates at a certain frequency. I repeat, all energy vibrates at a certain frequency, correct? So because everything in the world has energy and everything in the world which has energy is vibrating at a certain frequency, there is a law of energy that we need to understand. And that law of energy is called as like attracts like. What is it called? Like attracts like. I want you to take both your hands with me like this on the phone. Come on. On the screen. Come on, quickly. Take both your hands like this in front of me on the screen like this and say this with me. Like attracts like. Like attracts like. What it means is energy with the same frequency will always attract each other. Okay. Now there's a question that people ask is that opposites attract or like attracts? Now there are two answers for that. One quick answer for that is that complementary attracts. In the quantum physics language, we say complementary attracts, which means that two magnets, north and south, are actually incomplete parts of each other. So they are attracting each other because they are complements of each other. But when north and south get along together, what happens? There's only one north and one south again. That's right. Okay, so it's always complementary attracting another complementary in order to complete each other. So it's never really opposites attracting each other. It's just incomplete parts of each other because they had separated together from each other. They had become opposites. But when they come back together, they're complete again. Right. So male and female energy is exactly like this. A door and key, a lock and key is exactly like this. It's complementary energy with each other. Understand? Now the second answer to that is very simple. Like attracts like is also true and opposites attract is also true. All the energies in the world, all the laws of energy in the world are dual. What do I mean by that? The whole world, the whole universal energy is made of dual energy or dual principles of energy. There is a day and there is a night. There's always duality in the world. So which means like attracts like also exists and opposites attract also exist. But don't let this confuse you. I'll tell you why. Opposites exist because when we don't control our energy, the opposites can get attracted. But when we consciously attract our energy, we can take control of this energy frequency and we can use the law of like attracts like and consciously attract whatever we want in our life. All right, makes sense? So just remember this principle. Like attracts like. Everything in the world is made of energy. All energy is vibrating at a certain what? Frequency. And the same energy will always attract each other. So money will attract money, poverty will attract poverty, problems will attract problems, sadness will attract sadness, and so on and so forth. So rich people become richer, poor people become more poor, right? Now, it is very critical for you to remember this because you are made of energy. I am made of energy. If you really want to make millions as a trainer, the first thing you want to do is vibrate at the right frequency of millions. What do I say? Vibrate at the right frequency of millions, because if I'm right now here at my frequency and my attraction I want is here, it will never happen, right? My desire is here, or rather this is who I am in my frequency right now, and this is my desire. The attraction will never happen. My frequency and my desire frequency has to be exactly the same. Only then the attraction will really happen. If I am vibrating at the frequency of millions, only then as a trainer and coach, you're going to attract those millions. That is why I'm doing this video, this lesson as the very first lesson. Because if I teach you how to create your own niche, if I teach you how to master that niche, if I teach you how to create a great blueprint of a course where you could create results for your clients and even start selling money, even make it automatic. But if your frequency is not there to vibrate at the frequency of a millionaire, you'll do some mistake and you'll sabotage your own success. Are you understanding what I'm saying right now? So it's very critical for you to first start vibrating at what frequency? At the frequency of being a millionaire. Now, how do you really do that? In the next video, we will get into specifics. The first video here was simply to understand the law of attraction, right? And the laws of energy. The next video, we will understand how do you really use the law of attraction to vibrate at the right frequency of being a millionaire. So I'll see you in the next video. But remember, whatever you've learned right now, you need to remember all of that. So there's going to be a small assessment at the bottom of this video. Make sure you fill up that assessment. Okay? Bye-bye.